Okay, the live stream has started. Let's proceed. Okay, muli mutya era mwasuze mutya. I think let's proceed. Let's proceed. And as you can see, this was my analysis, and I think, not even thinking, but gold has massively delivered. Those ones. For those ones who were serious with my analysis, it has. Okay, it has. I think those ones who were available yesterday, I think you can see. All those ones who paid attention to what I told you. Sharing it up on the screen. Sharing. Abafuddeyo analysis gonna sharing yesterday. I think you have made some money, and I'm waiting for my money. Musindikiza akameza. Right now, let's use the comment section to chat as we are waiting for some other things. Let's use the comment section, okay? Let's just use the comment section. Understand? You can see that the market has delivered well, and this is what I was meaning. I told you on gold that this level was really critical, and that's why I marked it with a very, very, very thick red color. Okay? That's why I really marked it with a very serious, thick color because of some reasons. But again, I told you we might not exceed this level and this level. See what happened. Gold at this very level is where I left it by the time of doing my analysis. I left it at this level. Then later, it pushed to this level. This is where it started its buying modes. It soared higher. You understand? And if we are to see, you can see that gold is not coming back. Gold isn't coming back faster, like as some other people might think. Understand? It's not. It's honestly not. Get me? Ibibuzo byammwe mubiteeke mu comment section as we proceed. We are going to be analyzing as we learn. We analyze as we learn. We analyze as we learn. Get me? That's the pattern. Okay? That's the pattern. Let's look at other opportunities which are arising. This one, the serious ones have already utilized it. The serious ones have already utilized the gold issue, BTC, USD. Let's look at Bitcoin. We are looking at Bitcoin, and still this is another buying level for Bitcoin. And this is what I told you exactly. Members, always pay attention to my analysis. Wanganze mbanchi manyi. Siri perfect, but bankuba naye kyenkola nkitegeera. Understand? I'm not all that perfect, but I know. Understand? This is another buying level. I told you this is a buying level. And if someone is to be buying, your TP or stop loss, at least this level. If you're dealing with BTC, at least that level. Sorry. At least that level. Understand? At least that level. Now, to those ones who made some other profits, I think Rihanna is Victory yesterday made some profits. Me, I wasn't available honestly in BTC because it was a weekend. I had to take my wife out. What? So, nowadays, city. You understand? Nowadays, so if we are buying BTC because this setup already delivered well from this level, I can say again that if we are to be entering for buys, let's prioritize this level. And our TP should be around it if we are dealing with BTC. That's the risk management you should at least use. You're dealing with Bitcoin. I'm sharing live. I'm sharing the analysis to other groups. Okay. I'm sharing the analysis to other members as we proceed. Members, let's like the live and still we share the live. Yeah, let's like live as well as sharing it. I'm sharing it to our Telegram brothers. Okay. I think with the BTC, I'm hiding that level. I'm looking at that price level. Let's look at Euro USD, and I think today we got a news on Euro. It's now we are in this it's selling level. Remember, this is the hourly time frame. We are on its selling level. Okay. But what I'm waiting for is let's just wait and you see the retracement is really heavy. We are shooting lower. But if not, and we liquidate these levels, we are shooting higher. And now to confirm that trend, we are going to watch this market on a very, very thin time frame, 5 minutes time frame. It's where I'm going to balance all to gauge this market. On GBP USD, I'm just analyzing all. I'm looking at the pairs, which all where I give you my forecast. And I see how they performed. Thank you. This one also, it's coming to these levels. And we said, all I said, that I'm looking for sales within this area, not sales below here, but sales within this area. Let's look at AUD card. Was it AUD USD? Now this was AUD card. Still, it's also trying to hide its selling areas because of some other what some other issues. Let me first see. Let me first see. But with gold has honestly delivered, and still, let's look at BTC. BTC risk takers. BTC might be in buying modes, and looking at buy executions from this level. We shoot higher. Okay? We shoot higher. Those ones who traded BTC yesterday, I think you made some good money. And even those ones who traded XAUSD, let's see whether we can get another opportunity on gold. It has already bought, as I told you in the analysis, those ones who utilize these opportunities. I think Dark Dante and the rest who were telling me to be active at night. Let's look at a USD JPY. Anyone with his or her currency pair, just put in your request in the comment section. We try to analyze it. This one didn't respect. Yeah, and all those to registering. We have registered this loss among the pairs which we analyzed for. It's not delivering well. I'm looking. This was supposed to be a buying level, but they didn't utilize it. So if you're to be waiting for buys still, this level won't hold that respect unless because of this liquidity on the upper side. Because me, the way I always look at this market, the major issue is liquidity. Just looking at its liquidity, nothing else. I'm looking at those levels. I am looking at those levels. And another thing, when I was analyzing, I forgot something. Let's like the live and share the live. I forgot something. Please remember this level. If we are lucky enough, it will stop the market, and it has forcefully to stop the market unless these guys manipulate levels. They retrace before reaching this level. This is what I'm eyeing. The market reached earlier. It will. Your requests in the comment section. Yeah. Requests in the comment section. NZD USD. Now, I like this pay. Some other times it's my saving. Saves me. This is NZD USD. I think I didn't analyze it. NZD USD. This is the hourly time frame. USD card. USD card. This level, you can see that it's buying. This is a 1 hour time frame. It's buying at the very level. I told you, in case we get new retracement, we are buying, but let's just wait for another confirmation, or we can again see or look at it on a 15 minutes time frame, but you can see that it's what? It's buying. So if you're to risk buys, you can scalp on it. You can scalp on it. And scalp on it. And if you're good at holding, only if you're fast, you can get these pips. Just the card. Let's switch to a 5 minutes time frame. You can scalp. So yeah. That's all. But you have to hold. So to benefit from it, you have to hold. Understand? You have to hold. Most people are looking at gold and BTC. This is the hourly time frame. Gold is selling. This level isn't all that varied. This level isn't varied that it will stop our market. Okay? Isn't varied. BTC USD. These are 5 minutes. They are 5 minutes. This is BTC. This is BTC. That's BTC. Okay? That's Bitcoin. How are you ready, K? In a while. Ndowooza mulaba Bitcoin atandise olinnyamu. How much we are on lower time frame. If you can risk, enter buys. You can risk, enter buy. Because you missed this move. Yeah, I think it was from this candle. Those ones also yesterday's analysis, I think you figured it out. That's good if you're good, my brother. Tugezaako Omukama n'ayamba mpola mpola. I'm trying to give you this background sound. Temwebowa bakyali bange as we are proceeding. Backtrack. So, I'm looking for buys on BTC. Let's look at other more pairs. Let's look at the US oil and Nasdaq. You see whether we can get something. This US oil, it's not good. This is Nasdaq, and even its structure is too brand, and I can't risk and risk. Right now is my background sound. Check. Yeah, niche the dictionary nkulaba kwoli papa. Nkulaba kwoli. Oh, the other pair was Euro USD. Yeah, this is Euro USD, and we are waiting for its confirmation. We proceed. We are waiting for Euro USD's confirmation. We proceed. Kamberenge bisikadde mbitrackingirawo. Okay. Put in your pairs in the comment section. We analyze or we look at those pairs. It is USD. This is Bitcoin, and actually it's getting a serious indecision within this area, and that's why it hasn't already decided. Let's look at this gold and we see whether we can get any scalping opportunity. This is gold. This is gold, and you can see that it's highly indecisive. It's not deciding what to where can I go. The king is lonely at the top. The king is lonely at the top. 1 minute buys scalps that level. 1 minute buy scalps at that level ziba zisoma. Terivudde. Discover Uganda is asking me why is it that I always mark those levels. I'm looking at liquidity at the market structure. Simple. In some other conferences to confirm, I'm looking at the liquidity and market structure. Bitcoin buyers yesterday and gold buyers this morning. But where is Dark Dante and the rest? Let me see. Those ones who ask me whether I'll be available. Sawa munano gwechiro. Hope mwachikubye temunswaza. I was too tired yesterday. And that's why I woke up early today, because I had to sleep early yesterday such that I can make it today. For the analysis. Okay. For the analysis. Let's look at golden hourly or our tiny monthly trace. Not today. This level, not today. According to what I'm saying, not today, not today. Not today. And we experience another serious buying for our candle. This is a daily one. Still, munoonyeza ku time frames zonna ndawuka tufunako opportunity scalpingako. Emukola ki? Scalpingako, but let's first wait. Let's first wait. Here. Just the drop zone. Me are just waiting. Looking at the BTC. This is Euro USD. This is Euro USD. It's still indecisive. The rest is still indecisive. Gold, it's deciding now. Serious buys. And if it breaks this level, just no. Actually, not even that level. I want a 1 minute time frame. Here. You see? Around this level. It's gonna buy seriously, just no. it's gonna buy seriously. So let's look at the BTC. Let's look at the Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin is too indecisive. It's not deciding. It's in buys. It wants to buy. It had over devalued. The asset was too devalued. So and those ones, actually, I think we are going to talk in the group. We are gonna be doing some analysis at night. You remember the other $50 group? The way we used to do things. The way we are going to start doing things. We're going to be getting our days, strictly perfect ones. We do our analysis before night. We do our analysis at night. Before even this, because some other people, before the market delivers, when you already know. When you already know, I think you can see. Well, before the market delivers, when you already know. Let's look at the economic events. Tetulina kuyingirira nnyo obudde bw'amawulire nga tetumanyi kikigenda mu maaso. This is the economic calendar as we are waiting for gold. As we are waiting for gold. So far, we are remaining with 18 minutes to reach to what we call core CPI year over year for the European economy. 17 minutes. And you can see that if this CPI is all that strong, you can see that there is an increase. Thank you for the point of $50 group. Okay. You can see that these guys, they increased actually CPI. They are forecasting CPI to be an increase. And remember, CPI, we are the general people. So if it means if CPI is stronger, the economy isn't all that doing bad. If the CPI is all that strong, Spanish CPI month over month. Now the previous was zero flat. Again, we're having a deficit, -4. Understand? -4. Year over year, we had an increase. But the core, they can't give you. Because I explained the core, it excludes health service, and other necessities within an economy. The core one. So, core CPI, akulagira dala scope, and even in some other states or districts within the Spanish economy, nakulaga how things are moving. Let's try to look at the core CPI. This is their certificate. And core consumer CPI index measures the changes in the price of goods and services, excluding food and energy. Understand? Food and energy, which means if they're excluding food and energy, core CPI omwetaaga nnyo olabe difference eriwo abantu abatali mu bya mmere na masanyalaze oba na energy balikola batya, how are they buying? Because this core CPI agenda kuwa general scope. Understand and keep it in mind that always we final buyers, the more things we are always utilizing at home, it's food and energy. Because if you got no power, your life won't move. Nothing totally. Understand? So it's all about this. You understand? It's all about our CPI. So if we look, the CPI measures price change from perspective of the consumer. It's a key way to measure changes in purchasing trends and inflation. A higher than expected reading should be taken as a positive for CPI, for the GBP, while lower than expected reading should be taken as a negative. Of course, for CPI, it's straight, not oppositely. So your role here is to come here and see how the previous has been performing, the previous analysis, all the previous CPIs have been performing. What I've seen according to these trends, let's see more. What I've seen according to these trends, their forecast is always action, and they don't always change their forecast. You to see, their forecast is always straight on point. So let's go back. Let's go back. This is gold, and gold, Bitcoin, BTC. Likewise to BTC, they are still indecisive, but we can as well wait. Let's look at a Euro USD. This is Euro USD. This is Euro USD. Still, now you're never deciding. It's indecisive, but as if it wants to shoot higher. But with a bit gold there's nothing much gold is going to deliver. Thank you for the point of the $50 group. Yeah, I think I need a group. I need a group of people who are seriously serious. At least I can be analyzing for you after finishing my abroad guys. Wanga inabagayi bangenze be analyzing and abonya akatali abewero. But we can schedule ngamba nti this group now tugenda batekangamu nga it's a must. I don't want unserious people. Wotabeerawo nga tolina budde, but leave that group because ojja kunfunamu obuzibu bwabwere. Nsi kyayagala abantu batali serious. Mulaba, I'm unserious, but at times gezaako nyonyonyonyo okubeera serious. Understand? Try my best to be what? Be serious. That's gold. Can I show again? That's my target. Gold. That's my gold target. That's it, and let's wait. Let's look at the BTC. Tasalawo. Too indecisive. Too indecisive. Naye kuddayo ayagala kufigalinga wanene wenjibalira wennyini. I lost my Telegram, so I registered a new one. How can I access the $50 group? It's not the $50 group, it's another movement. It's another movement. Abali mu $50 group baayiga abasinga. That's why balekerawo attending classes abanyiiza. So get the blood. So this is another chapter. And there's gonna be a Telegram group. It's gonna be a Telegram group. It is gonna be a Telegram group. I'm waiting for retracement to this level before I execute. That's my honest target, all honest opinion on gold. Gold are printing moves as it was, but let's wait. Yes, you can trade BTC and trade BTC with $50. Yeah, you can trade Bitcoin with $50. Let's look at the Euro USD. It's not good for the Spanish economy. It's not good totally. It isn't. It isn't good. Let's first see. Reload. This is a gold Euro USD. Decided to sell. Selling. This was its selling level. It's selling now. But it wasn't all that good. Or is? We're waiting for guys. Yeah. That level. That's the level. That's the level on Euro USD. That's the level. Let's look at gold again. XAUS. This is gold. And I'm waiting for buys at this level. I'm eyeing for buys at this level. That's gold. BTC. BTC USD. This is Bitcoin. Too indecisive. Too indecisive, but let's wait. I think we call it a day. We call it a day. Gold is now shooting to this level. Then for buys, that's the price level where you're supposed to enter for buys. Be blessed. Have a good day. Let's connect again on Wednesday.